There's YouTubers, we have the fire fuckers out today, awesome shit. Engine trucks out here today, it's like YouTubers. And we're out here filming this shit. Oh, we got the camera truck going down. We got the ladder and bath trucks, like we're in fucking freezing temperatures. Yeah, I can see me, I'm like all fucked up on ecstasy, so yeah, so we're just gonna fucking videotape this and shit. We're gonna have Walmart. And there's like a fire truck there, we're gonna see what the fuck's going on and shit. Yeah, we got all shit going on, shit, awesome shit, man. Fire trucks are out, we got shit going on. Yeah, we got fucking Walmart, we got fucking, we see what we are, but I'm just gonna videotape this thing right now there. And let's see, yeah. See the guys getting on the fire truck right now. Fucking yeah, for every day. I don't see this guy going down. Yeah, woo! The fire truck here today, so yeah, guys, yeah, videotaping, yeah. Yeah, let's fucking do the videotape and shit. Yeah, this is a YouTube video for YouTubers. Alright, YouTube fuckers out there, you can see. Yeah, we're at the mall right now, the fire truck right there. We're trying to see what's going on. What's going on in this shit, man. So, yeah, there's no fucking. Yeah, you know, fucking. Engine truck, yeah, fucking. Cheaper, it is cheap over here. I love fire trucks, it's just one YouTubers, so.